in each city every day. Everyone is surrounded by large amounts of information. People like to learn and share information, promoting the continuous development of science and technology. However, there is still an information island: civil aviation. To break through the forbidden zone in the sky and to leap over the information island. How can ZTE reach the air-to-ground broadband in civil aviation? When people are excited by the mobile phone revolution, this U.S. operator, Aircell, has turned the focus to the aerial wireless broadband market. Here, ZTE has introduced the technology for leaping over to the information island to civil aviation and is leading an epoch-making communication revolution for the aviation industry. The technology has been used to provide aerial wireless broadband services for 1/3 of the main flights in the USA. In 2013, ZTE launched the commercial civil aviation broadband service that is based on the 4G broadband technology for Chinese domestic civil airline customers. This service provides convenience for airline services, including flight safety, flight operation, passenger services, flight monitoring, and flight training. This revolution will benefit more and more people in China, the most populous country. Here, you can handle emails and businesses and remotely attend meetings without worrying about the loss of time. Here, you can share your joy with your family anytime through video chat. Here, short messages and calls are unblocked, and even people who are keen on HD entertainment and microblogs can enjoy ubiquitous top wireless broadband services. Because airplanes fly at high altitudes and fast speeds, it's impossible to use common commercial terminals to leap over to the information island and implement ubiquitous communications. Therefore, ZTE uses airborne ATG terminals to communicate with the base stations that cover the ground routes corresponding to the airlines. To use broadband services, common passengers only need to connect their wireless terminals to the airborne wireless access points. During a high-speed flight, a serious Doppler effect exists between an airborne ATG terminal and base stations. ZTE's self-adaptive frequency deviation correction system can effectively correct this effect and greatly improve signal stability. ZTE uses an advanced supercell technology which allocates ground communication resources by using the cell concept and allows the sharing of cell wireless resources to reduce intercell interference and lower costs. Supercells can be used to build networks for long length, large width, and low capacity air routes. In addition, airplanes fly at extremely high speeds, and the speeds of stable flight at high altitudes are generally over 800 kilometers per hour. The special design of ZTE air-to-ground broadband in civil aviation greatly decreases the signal handover durations when airplanes fly over supercells. The air-to-ground broadband in civil aviation revolution, led by ZTE, not only promotes aviation information technology and the globalized operation standard and concept, but also increases airline companies' competitiveness and ARPU. Airline stewardess.
Dear passengers, the destination of this flight, the air-to-ground broadband in civil aviation, will soon be reached. Thank you for taking this ZTE air-to-ground broadband in civil aviation flight.